In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist IP in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know how to create a rule that recognizes a specific IP address and applies your chosen security action to it. This is useful when you want trusted traffic to pass through more easily or to treat a known IP differently from the rest of the world. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, head to the domains area where you'll see all the sites you manage. Select the domain you want to work with so we apply the change in the right place. Inside the selected domain, navigate to the security section. Here, open security rules. This is where Cloudflare evaluates custom logic you define about who gets allowed, challenged, or blocked. Click Create Rule, then choose Custom Rules. Custom rules give you full control over conditions and actions. Give your rule a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, for example, whitelist office IP. Next, build the condition. Choose the field for the match and set it to IP source address. That tells Cloudflare to evaluate the visitor's IP. For the operator, select equals, which means the rule will target one exact IP. In the value box, enter the IP address you want to treat as trusted. Double check for typos and confirm whether it's an IPv4 or IPv6 address. If your organization uses a static IP, use that. If your IP changes frequently, consider coordinating with your network team first so the rule doesn't go stale. Now, choose the action to take when traffic matches this condition. In many cases, whitelisting means using allow, which lets the request through without additional friction. In this walkthrough, we'll select Manage Challenge, which still treats the IP favorably, but adds an adaptive challenge when Cloudflare detects risk. Pick the option that best matches your security posture. Allow for a true whitelist or manage challenge for a safer, trust but verify approach. You'll also see a placement setting. This controls the order in which Cloudflare evaluates your rule relative to others. Place the rule high enough that it isn't overridden by broader blocks later in the list. Rule order matters, so keep related allow or challenge rules grouped logically. When everything looks good, click Deploy. Changes typically apply quickly, but give it a moment to propagate. To verify, access your site from the specified IP and confirm the behavior matches your chosen action. If needed, you can return to security rules to adjust the operator, value, action, or placement at any time. And that's it. Your IP-based rule is live in Cloudflare.